Hi everybody, Bob with Knives Town here. Today we're going to take a look at a knife from Puma. That's a German company based in Solingen, Germany. Their logo says knife makers to the world. And their knives are handmade in the old world way. This particular model is the Puma Major. It's just a folding pocket knife. Has no clip on it. Got a closer look at that. The blade opens with a nail nick. There you go. It's got a look reminiscent of the Buck 110. Technical specs there. That's a blade 3 1/16 inches long. It's a clip point blade, hollow ground, and it has a sort of a satin or brushed finish to it. The steel used is 440A steel. The overall length is 7.5 inches. The weight is 2.8 ounces. And that blade has a Rockwell of 55 to 57. It's really got a real clip there to it. It's really pronounced clip point. Gives you a bit of a sweep there on the blade, plus a real good sharp penetrating point. Good utility overall, functional blade. The handle is made of stainless steel, and it does have these ABS inserts. Take a closer look at that to show you what that looks like there. They're basically smooth, so I can't say that they are for traction. They're cosmetic. Same on both sides. There's a lanyard hole. The Puma logo is stamped into the handle down here, and then of course it is also found on the blade itself. Made in Germany, as I said. This is a lockback knife. So you press down there to release the lock and close the knife. It does have an adjustable pivot here, and I was able to adjust that with a 5/64 Allen wrench, so you can adjust that to the tension you like. Like the Buck 110, it does have that. It does have this that bend there, the bow that fits into the drop of your hand right across your fingers. It's very comfortable in the hand. There is a leather sheath that is available for this separately. It's just a general duty, simple knife, but hey, simple is best. That design, this is a design that has been made by many different knife manufacturers, and I don't think we're going to see it go away anytime soon. It's popular for a reason. It works, and it works well. It's a general duty, general function, reliable knife. You just carry it right in your pocket. There's no clip. But like I say, if you do want a sheath, there is one sold separately. It's a nice black leather sheath. You can see that on the Puma website. Yeah. Well, that's the Puma Major. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you again.